Hi all, I want to show you how to make a punching bag cheap. This is just a duffel bag. From the Army Navy store. Last I knew you could get them for like 20 bucks. Okay, square on the bottom. And then just fill it up with old clothes, blankets, stuff like that. Sounds easy, but trying to come up with all those clothes to fill it up, it's kind of hard. You might be able to like go down Goodwill or something like that. Sometimes they have half price day sale, and then you can pick up a bunch of stuff or see if they just have some that old stuff that they want to get rid of for free, because lots of stuff that's donated they don't sell because it's too bad. And then just put some type of hook here at the top, and then hang it from the rafters in your basement. So if you wanted to, you could put like 3 chains on here, but I found that's not necessary. And then like just one big hook here. You could probably even just tie a piece of rope in there, thick piece of rope so it doesn't break on you, and then just put some type of loop in it and hang that from your rafters in your basement. And I think these are actually better than a punching bag that you would buy at a store, because these aren't as hard on your hands. Back in the 40s, my father was in high school. He boxed, and he was a welterweight. He won like 105 fights, 100 of them by knockout, and that's all he used. He had a duffel bag filled up with old clothes, and then he had a speed bag, and that's all he used to train. So some of his buddies had said to me that he would have been world champ, if he didn't get drafted. He got drafted in World War II. So, this definitely works. It's not real heavy, so you can move it around, if you need to take it down and put it back up. Okay. So what I did here was, when our local Kmart closed, they had this one on sale. I think I got it for like 50 bucks. But this sucker is really heavy. It's almost impossible for me to get down. I tried to get it down so I could hang up the other one. But what I wanted to show you here is just put in some type of hook. It doesn't have to be an eye bolt, but I like the eye bolts so it can't slip off. And make sure it comes through the other side. Put a big washer on the other side. And then I reinforced my rafter with a piece of steel because I didn't want it cracking. So you can get these at Lowe's for like $3. Okay, it's definitely better to have a heavy bag. I think one of the old time boxers used to use a 200-pound bag. Well, that's fine, if you're at the gym and you can afford it. But just for around the house, duffel bag for 20 bucks, maybe $5 or so for the hook, and then a few more bucks for another hook so it can hang down some, and then an eye bolt, and maybe some type of reinforcement here. The reinforcement isn't necessary. It's just an added safety thing. So that's under 30 bucks. you got a nice bag to practice on, and it's light enough to take down. This one here, this has got to be at least 60, 70 pounds, 80 pounds. And I got it up there a few years ago, but I'm getting a little older now. I tried to take it down so I could put that one up and show you. I couldn't get that one up there. So so my point is, you can throw this thing up really quick, and you can put it up and down real fast. Throw it in the corner. Okay. See ya. Bye.